Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the essentials: your license, a full Outlook data backup, and the exact older installer file. Once done, make sure Windows Restore is enabled so you can roll back if needed. You must also disable automatic Office updates in Windows Update or the Office settings to prevent immediate root grade. Finally, close Outlook and any Office apps. This prevents file locks and ensures the installer can update system files cleanly without interruptions. Next, remove the modern Outlook cleanly so the older installer won't conflict. You should uninstall through Apps and Features or use the Office removal tool for complete cleanup. This avoids mixed MSI and click-to-run components. Once removed, reboot to clear file locks, then run the older MSI/installer as administrator. This ensures proper registry and service registration. During install, choose custom options to avoid installing unwanted components, and set Outlook to offline mode briefly while you verify data import locations. Finally, complete installation and configuration with attention to compatibility. Install any service packs for that Outlook version and apply necessary security updates. You should import your PSD file and recreate mail profiles so account settings match server expectations. This avoids sync errors. Once configured, prevent automatic updates via group policy or Office settings to keep the old version intact. If something goes wrong, first re-enable Windows, Restore, and check the removal tool logs to identify leftover click-to-run components before retrying the install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.